Hey everyone, Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood again. I love coming and doing shoe reviews for these guys. They are fantastic. I do also have an addiction to pleasers. Today we'll be looking at my kind of shoe. We're doing our Flamingos. The tag is Flamingo-808 if you're wanting to have a look as well. One of my favorites. Now, so excited. These ones are a beautiful, beautiful combo. They are black and red. Look at that. It is just so in at the moment. And not gonna lie, I love these combos. Now, these ones do have the clear upper, which is personally one of my favorite styles because it will mold to the shape of your foot. So if you're having a long night or whatever the case is, you can wear them a couple times and they will stretch out to your foot and it's like the perfect fit. Bit like Cinderella. Come with a little drawstring bag as well, so don't forget, don't throw it out thinking it's rubbish. It is so good to use. Especially look at the label. How amazing. You want to show that off everywhere. Look at me. Look at my please bag. That'd be me anyways. Now, can't wait to put these on and show you. Little cloth bag as well. Nice clear upper and clear upper around the ankle as well. So it will mold. If you've got a little bit of thinner ankle or a thicker ankle, no stress. It will stretch or get a little bit smaller to your foot. As I said, perfect fit. Now, they have the little buckle just here. And sometimes these can be quite difficult to get off to start with. But don't stress, because they will get better with time. They've got the nice soft fabric here on the sole. And our favourite, Grippy Bottom. But look, while you're here, look at that blend in colour. How beautiful is that? And on the heel, a little bit like a red-backed spider here in Australia. It goes from black through to red. Love it. So in at the moment. And we just gotta pop it on like that. Do up our little buckle. Oh, these are already such a comfy fit. Wow. How cute. Undo this one as well. Pop it on. Give it a little shake like that. Do up the buckle. Oops. Here we go. I might actually make one tighter. There we go. And would you look at that? Now 8" is actually my favourite height because it makes me nice and tall. I can walk nicely, and then when I take it off I'm back to my original 5'2" height. How cute. I love them. Do you like them? I know, I definitely do. Now I'm just going to have to show you guys. And we're going to take you over to the shoe wall and you're going to notice straight away how popular red and black is. Have a look. You've got like the more boot style, you've got nice little strappy style, you've got so many different kinds. Like look at that one. How cool is that? I love it. You've got like a velvety style. They're just so popular. Very similar design there. Just the opposite. I like this one better. Now, I can't wait to show you guys the side view. It is so, so pretty. How cute. I'm in love with this heel. Look at that. I wish I could wear these in the shops. I'd wear them every day. when I get my groceries, pushing the trolley. What do you guys think? I love them. Match my outfit, go with everything. If you've got like 8s are a little bit of quite a high height, so if you are starting off, try and get a 6 or 7 inch and work your way up, and then you can be in these beautiful shoes. So easy to walk in. Grippy Bottom's definitely helping me. What do you guys think? Look at that in the sun. Wow, how amazing are they? I love them. Red and black is just so elegant. I love it. So easy to walk in. What do you think of the back? I'm obsessed. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell, you'll be notified for all the latest videos. And leave us some comments. I do love reading through them. My favourite height shoes. I can't wait to do more 8-inch reviews for you. Super easy, once again, to take off. Just like that. A bit like Cinderella after her long night. There we are. And don't forget, we've also got our community tab, so jump over and check it out. You can see all of the girls' Instagrams that do the reviews here with Shoes of Hollywood, our behind the scenes and so much more. Can't wait to see you guys again. Bye!